What's up, you guys? So today I just want to share with you guys some simple pre-DIY video, and I already set up the things I wanted to do, but I thought I'll share with you guys because it's easy. So let's get right into it. Alright, so this is a long skirt, alright, and I just cut out this piece from it because I wanted to use it for this DIY. And what I'm gonna do is I want to make this skirt like a two-piece kind of thing. So I have this plain top. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna attach this to it, to make it look like two-piece kind of dress. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this like this. I want it to hang over the shoulder. Alright, so I'm just gonna stitch it, or you can just pin yours if you don't want the dress to permanently become a two-piece dress. You can just clip it or pin it on, something like that. So I'm gonna pin my own on for the purpose of this video. Alright, so I'm just using this pin to pin it on. Alright, now so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is how it turned out. I thought it was cute, and I paired it with some steel toe shoes. Alright guys, so that's it for this video, and I wanted to say, like, before trying on, before stitching on or pinning on the second half material or something, make sure to try it on and mark the places you want to stitch or pin on, because I actually got mine wrong. I had to redo it, try it on and redo it and all that. So make sure you try it on first and mark the places and all that. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe, leave some comments in the comment section so I'll know what you guys think, and subscribe. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.